What small accessories that caught you off guard when building your first PC, or that you didn't know you should get when getting a PC? So let's talk about something I didn't think about at all. Accessories. You know, those small things that don't get listed on PC Part Picker. Yeah, I built this whole PC, turned it on, and installed Discord, and then boom, no mic input. I had a headset for my console days, but I needed one of those combo jacks with the mic and audio in one cable. But usually desktop motherboards split the two into two ports, one sound and one for mic. So I had to wait and order a splitter, and I hoped it worked. The delay was a little bit annoying, but this goes beyond splitters. Think Wi-Fi cards, Bluetooth adapters, SATA cables. If you're adding extra drives, nobody tells you this stuff when you're planning your parts list. Have a checklist for non-important parts, you say, that might not be sexy, quote unquote, but when you're stuck without sound or internet, you'll wish you had them ready.